Privilege Guard can also be used as an application control solution, allowing organizations to whitelist applications that are allowed to run and block execution of unauthorized applications. For this demo, we have created the following application groups. The Elevated Applications group grants admin rights to the disk defrag application. Secondly, the Trusted Application group allows every application in the Windows and Program folders to run, but with standard user rights. Finally, the Blocked Applications group has a wildcard rule which captures all other applications not specified elsewhere. We're going to configure Privilege Guard policy to process these application groups in a specific order. The Elevated Apps group has been granted admin rights, therefore the disk defrag application will run with admin rights. The Trusted Applications group has been granted the Enforce Users Default Rights access token, meaning applications in this group will run with the user's rights, in this case, standard user rights. Finally, we are going to add the Blocked group to this policy and assign a blocking message which will prohibit execution of application processed by this rule. This is done via a simple right-click to insert the group. We have now switched back to a standard user and have run the disk defrag application. As you can see, this application has been granted admin rights and has been processed by our first rule. Next, we have run the command prompt, which has been allowed to run but with standard user rights, as this has been processed by our second rule, Trusted Apps. When we try and change the system, we receive an error because the command prompt is running with the standard user rights. Finally, when we run Google Chrome, the user is presented with a blocking message as the application has been processed by our last rule, Blocked Apps, and prohibited from running. This is because it has been installed by a standard user into their profile. Even when users are given standard user rights, there are certain applications and malware that can be installed under standard user privileges. Google Chrome is an example of one of these applications. Privilege Guard can be used to assign the correct privileges to applications and to control application execution via a central policy that integrates into the organization's existing infrastructure. Join us for a closer look at avecto.com.